Replying to a post on YouTube is a straightforward process designed to keep conversations organized and easily accessible for everyone involved. To reply to a specific comment or post, locate the reply button usually found directly beneath the comment. Clicking this button will open a text field where you can type your response. After composing your reply, click the Send or Submit button to post it. This ensures that your response is directly linked to the original comment, making it clear which part of the discussion you are addressing. Using the reply function helps maintain context and prevents confusion, especially in threads with numerous participants. Private messaging, often referred to as PM, offers a more direct and private means of communication. It allows you to exchange messages with another user without making the conversation public. To initiate a private message, you will typically need to navigate to the user's profile or find a message option associated with their account. Once you've accessed the messaging interface, you can compose your message and send it. Private messaging is useful for sharing personal information, discussing sensitive topics, or coordinating collaborations that don't need to be visible to the general public. Remember to respect the privacy of others and only use private messaging for appropriate and constructive communication. When participating in discussions, it's generally best to keep your replies within the public thread unless you have a specific reason to use private messaging. This helps ensure that the conversation is transparent and accessible to all interested parties. Public replies also allow other users to benefit from the information being shared. If you're unsure whether to reply publicly or privately, consider whether the information you're sharing is relevant to the broader discussion or if it's specific to the individual you're communicating with. For example, if you're providing feedback on a user's video, a public reply is usually appropriate. However, if you're discussing personal details or coordinating a private project, a private message is more suitable. Always be mindful of the context and the potential impact of your communication on others. Proper etiquette involves being respectful, constructive, and avoiding personal attacks or offensive language. Before posting a reply or sending a private message, take a moment to review your message and ensure that it conveys your intended meaning clearly and respectfully. This can help prevent misunderstandings and maintain a positive and productive communication environment. Keep in mind that YouTube's community guidelines apply to both public replies and private messages. Violations of these guidelines can result in penalties, including account suspension or termination. Therefore, it's important to familiarize yourself with the guidelines and adhere to them at all times. In addition to replying to posts and using private messages, consider utilizing other communication features offered by YouTube, such as creating polls, posting updates on your channel, or participating in live chats. These features can help you engage with your audience in different ways and foster a sense of community around your channel. When using these features, remember to be authentic, responsive, and respectful of your audience's opinions and feedback. By actively engaging with your viewers, you can build stronger relationships and create a more positive and rewarding experience for everyone involved. Effective communication is essential for building a successful YouTube channel and fostering a thriving community. By following these guidelines, you can ensure that your interactions are productive, respectful, and beneficial to all participants. If you encounter any issues or have questions about using YouTube's communication features, consult the platform's help resources or contact support for assistance. YouTube offers a variety of tools and resources to help you navigate the platform and maximize your experience. Taking advantage of these resources can help you stay informed about best practices and avoid common pitfalls. Always be open to learning and adapting your communication strategies to meet the evolving needs of your audience. The YouTube community is constantly changing, and staying flexible and responsive is key to long-term success. Ultimately, effective communication is about building relationships and creating a positive impact on others. By approaching your interactions with empathy, respect, and a genuine desire to connect, you can create a more meaningful and rewarding experience for yourself and your audience. Always strive to be a positive influence and contribute to a healthy and vibrant YouTube community.